So you might be in a weird situation where your Instagram comments are just not showing up. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you make your way over to your Instagram application and you might be seeing your comments, but none of the comments are showing up as you're going through them. Now, this can happen for basically a few different reasons. The very first thing I recommend doing though is making sure that within your specific, phone that you're using, that you are actually having an internet connection. If you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or an internet connection, a data connection, whatever you have, if you don't have those, well, that's probably going to be the main reason why you're running into this problem. So just go ahead and make sure you do have some sort of internet connection on your device, because like I mentioned, if you don't, well, that's probably going to be the reason why it's not working for you. Now, if you can verify that that's not the problem, the next thing you're going to want to try doing is to go ahead and make your way over to your App Store. So make your way over to your App Store or your Google Play Store. And what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go and search up Instagram. So very basically, just like how you do it before, just search up Instagram and just like so. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and find the Instagram application. So go and load up Instagram just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is update that app. Sometimes it can be as basic as this of literally just like going through and updating the Instagram application. And that could very well end up fixing the problem for yourself as well. Now, if that still doesn't end up working, the other thing you can try doing is to go and see if Instagram or any of the Instagram services are actually down. So you can do this by making your way over to a website like downdetector.com. It doesn't have to be this exact one, it could be any of them. There's lots of reasons why this website's not good, but this is a decent one that I've seen time and time again. And what you do is basically see if Instagram is on here. If Instagram is on here, or Facebook or WhatsApp or anything of those services are on here, that may mean that it's actually down. So if it looks anything like the big spike basically at the current time, that may mean that it's down. And all you're going to have to do there is basically wait it out until they fix the problem. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.